Hello, I was asked to review this new Kyocera Santoku knife. This is the 140. The blade is about 5.5 inches long. Got a nice bevel to it, you can see. And this ceramic edge is very sharp. I like it. Ergonomical handle. It's got a nice shape, nice feel, nice balance when you're using it. We're going to just slice a couple of lemons, do a little lemon garnishing for you. I'm also going to be sporting one of these stainless steel cut gloves today. Pretty cool. If you think you could use this, you pick one up on the site when you have the ceramic in your hand, or you cut towards yourself. No problem at all. So this might save your fingers. With lemons, they can be slippery. I'm going to cut the top and the bottom off of this lemon, and one of my favorite tools is a little channel knife. I'm going to use this and just do a couple of small carvings along the side here. This does a few things besides smelling very good. I could use these as a garnish also. Puts a really cool floral pattern or flower pattern along the lemon. And well, it just makes it a little bit more. That's what I'm looking for. Check it out. You can see this knife cuts very thin with almost no effort. I'm going to go almost see-through here on a few of these cuts. Very easy to use, and I really like it. So check it out. You can about see through there, can't you? Nice. Check it out. Visit the site, pick one up. Kyocera, many different colors, all in stock, free shipping, you can't go wrong. These cool knives also come in 4¼ inch utility size, as well as 3½ inch paring size. So it depends what you're going to do. You might want to grab a different one. Check it out, visit the site, many colors to choose from. I've got this Kyocera ceramic knife here, and I noticed it's getting a little bit dull. So I'm going to show you the easiest way to sharpen it. Fast, simple, easy sharpening using the new Kyocera electric sharpener. Got a lot of built-in safety features that are pretty cool. One of them is it won't run until your hand is on the unit. So you're holding the button with your hand, pulling the knife through very gently. A couple of the cool features, it's got this hard diamond ceramic stone inside there, and you can remove the lid by giving it a little pull. You can remove the lid and you can check it, you can inspect it, you can replace the stones. It's pretty cool, very simple design. It uses 4 batteries. They're put in down below. And I'm going to show you how we use this very quickly here. Just put your knife in so that the heel of the knife touches the stone, and you slide it towards you while it's running, just like that. No need to press hard. Repeat on the opposite side. Once more. So we've already put a brand new edge on the bottom of this knife. Test it out on some food. Oh yeah, it's a lot sharper. I'm going to go as thin as I can with this lemon. Show you just how sharp this knife is. There you go. So if you can't do that with your knife, maybe it's time to move up to a ceramic and maybe pick up one of the sharpeners. chefdepot.com